Being scripted. Now, I think many of you have probably heard this word over and over and over again. What does being scripted mean? It's kind of following on from predicting cases, because when you have access to those cases, you're also told what the script is. You're told, you find out maybe, or the patient will say this, then the doctor will say this, then the patient will say this, then I have to say this. Okay, that's one aspect of being scripted. So you end up using the same words and the same sentences and the same explanations that everybody else who had access to those will. So that's, you're being scripted. You're not being natural. You're not being original. And then the other aspect of being scripted is, you're just going along with using these stock phrases and cliched words, and you're just literally reproducing what you've learned. You're not showing, or you're not demonstrating to the examiner that you have your own skill set, that you have your own ability to handle this consultation in your own way, right? You're literally just following, being scripted. You're just saying those same things that you've memorized up. And that's really another very, very big reason why they're not happy, and you might fail being scripted.